determine if the given lengths can form a triangle. So, gagamitin natin yung triangle inequality theorem in which the sum of any two sides must be greater than its third side. So, tingnan natin. So, 5 plus 10. Dito muna tayo, no? 5 plus 10 must be greater than 15. Yeah. So, 5 plus 10, 15 is greater than 15. True or false? So, this one is false. Ayan. Isa pa, dito naman tayo. 10 plus 5 plus 15 is greater than 10. So, 5 plus 15 equals 20 is greater than 10. True or false? So, it's true. And then, dito tayo sa 10 plus 15. 10 plus 15 is greater than 5. 10 plus 15 equals 25 is greater than 5. So, this one is true. So, kung mapapansin natin, dalawa lang yung na-meet ng triangle inequality theorem na kung saan, pag i-add natin ang dalawang side, ay mas malaki ito sa kanyang third side. And then, may isa tayo na naging false. So, ibig sabihin yan, ang lengths na 5, 10, 15 ay hindi pwedeng maging triangle. So, 5, 10, 15. So, can't be a triangle. Ayan. Kasi may false. So, can't be. Okay, 11, 12, 20, and 9 tayo. So, gamitin lang natin ulit yung process. 11 plus 12 is greater than 9. So, add natin to. 23 is greater than 9. True. Ayan. Sunod ay 11 plus 9 is greater than 12. So, 11 plus 9 equals 20. Okay. True. And then, 12 plus 9 is greater than 11. So, 12 plus 9 equals 21. So, greater than 11. So, true. True lahat. Ibig sabihin yung 11, 12, and 9 is a triangle. So, check yan. So, triangle ito. Ito, hindi ito triangle kasi meron tayong false. Ito, puro true lahat. So, triangle yan. And then, yung last example, 6 plus 9 is greater than 16. So, 15 is greater than 16. So, this one is false. Ayan, may false agad. So, hindi ito triangle. So, this one is not a triangle. So, X, ito ay check. So, ituloy lang natin. So, 6 plus 16 is greater than 9. So, meron itong 22 is greater than 9. True. And ito naman, yung 9 plus 16 greater than 6. So, 25 is greater than 6. True. So, may isang false, dalawang true. Hindi ito triangle. Ito rin, hindi rin triangle kasi may isang false. Ito lang yung triangle kasi lahat ng sides na inad natin ay true.